Morning guys, it is technically noon but I just woke up, so it is a Saturday and of course I'm in this lazy mood. Also some work has been going on in my house for the last 3 months, so labors are done with their work today. I feel so nice. There's no noise, there's nothing, so I'm just quietly sitting eating my breakfast at 1:45 and watching a little YouTube videos, and I thought, you know what, I think I should vlog today because I'm doing a little things. No, I'm going out today for a little bit, so I thought I'll show you what I do when I go out. And yeah, so let me show you what I'm eating. And that is my breakfast. I just finished my sprouts almost, and it's my coffee, and I'm watching this video by Sophia Nygaard. I love her videos. They're so much fun. I think she's really good at what she does. She's the same girl who used to work with BuzzFeed, and I used to love her. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm just going to quickly take a shower, get dressed, and start my day. So I'm going for bath, but before that I'm going to Instagram a picture because I do one picture every morning, and this is the picture that I'm going to Instagram. This is from, I think, at least 4 years back or something, and I will put it with a nice slogan. So here is how I look for captions, and I'm looking for the captions. Let's see. So once that's done, I'm going to quickly take bath, get ready, because my mom is heating up. He really wants to leave ASAP. So I need to stop doing this, stop vlogging, and quickly run. We have reached so hot. Reached the destination already. So today, shopping at Azza. Oh god, this is so chaotic, but we're in South X. Azza, filming was not allowed, so I couldn't film, but I've got a few juttis and stuff, very cute, and I went to Levi's to change something. It's craziness. Look at this. See, this is the reason I've stopped coming to South X. Cannot drive. All under construction. My driver is also stuck somewhere. It's just coming. आगे मम्मी ड्राइवर भैया आ गए. खान चल रहे हैं वो जूस वाले. चलो बैठे. कहाँ चलना है? ठीक है, सब ग्लास पिक कर सकते हैं बस. और तो कोई ट्रिमर लेना है. हाँ चले. ट्रिमर मैं तुझे ऑनलाइन ही मंगा लूँ दक्ष को दिखा के. हाँ भैया खानी चल लेना, फिर कुछ खा भी लेंगे खाने में, है ना. कृतिस भी फिर देख लेंगे. We are in town now because buy tea cake from Chocola, and I love bells. So what I'm ordering Nathus today. We are eating these huge ass Chole Bhature. ये बिल्कुल फ्रेश बन गया है. चटनी आ गया है. So we stuffed our faces, and this is all going. Pav bhaji, some more kulfi, and mom is having kulfi falooda here. So I have no clue how I forgot to vlog after we had Chole Bhature. Not sure what was the last clip. I think I did vlog that we bought a few things home. So we got some pastries, which I love. I got myself a pineapple pastry, and I love that. And I got pav bhaji for dinner. And if you're thinking that I eat a lot, actually I do eat like a dustbin, but today I did not had my breakfast. I had just, so I had some sprouts. I was so hungry and I had no lunch also. So that's why eating everything that I can find around. Hi guys, happy Sunday. Hope you're having an amazing day. So last night when I was trying to film my outro, I was trying to end the vlog, camera battery died. So yeah, if you're thinking, yes, I'm in the same clothes because it is Sunday and I haven't taken bath. It is, I think, around 4ish. Sorry for the noise, somebody's in the kitchen. So yeah, so it is Sunday and it's a chill day. I was trying to edit a video because I'm trying to, you know, start my YouTube channel again and everything. But I did cross 160k followers a few days back on Instagram, and I promised my Instagram followers that I'm going to do a giveaway, and that is what I thought I will get to today. That's what I've been doing. Let me show you what all I'm giving, and all you have to do is follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is @beingbeautifulpooja. Follow me and you'll find all the rules there, and these are a few of the things that I'm planning to give away. And my bed is still messy. I'm just changing all the bed covers and stuff today, so that is why this situation. Please ignore all the mess. That is all the shopping from yesterday, and Coke, that is catch cola because I love that stuff. Anyhow, so please ignore the mess. Okay, so I am giving away this Nykaa brush set. I think people really like it, so I thought I am going to hook you guys up with this complete brush set. Then I am giving away a Dove conditioner. This stuff is really good. I'm giving away this jewelry holder, jewelry roll kind of thing, so that is going. Then I have 2 eyeliners from Nykaa. They get winged and get inked eyeliners. I'm giving away that. Also, I'm giving away these wheat strips, backing strips. I have a few of them, have not tried them, but I thought maybe, you know, you guys might like it. These are very nice if you're on the go. I heard that. I haven't really used them, but I'm planning to use them super soon, so I thought maybe you would also enjoy them. That, then a Makeup Revolution concealer, Focus and Fix. Then this Biotique, I love Biotique products, especially the scrubs are amazing. This is their Bring Raj oil for hair fall. Then I'm giving away 2 of these nail paints, also from Nykaa. I love Nykaa products. A lot of them are my favorites, and especially the lip colors, so I'll try and hook you up with a few lip colors maybe next time. But these are a few nail paints I'm giving away. Also, I was thinking if you would like the mask, not sure, but let me see what all can be done. Also, in my room, I have this drawer which is overflowing with stuff, so let me see what all I can put in the giveaway, and rest will be the next one. So this is one drawer. I have almost three drawers like this. So yeah, that is my Sunday. I'm just going to take a picture of everything that I'm going to give away. And yes, that is the noise of train because I live in the last lane, and at the back of my house is a lot of land where we have a lot of trees and stuff, and after that there's a railway track. So yeah, the train was going. Anyways, so I was saying is that I'm just going to take a picture of everything and then arrange my room and take bath and stuff, and that is all about my Sunday. If you want to participate in the giveaway, please check out my Instagram, और प्लीज़ मुझे अपडेट करते रहिए अगर आपको कुछ और ऐसा लगे जो आपको चाहिए या फिर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आपको अच्छा लगता है तो मैं लेके रख लूँगी, या नेक्स्ट गिव अवे में मैं ज़रूर कोशिश करूँगी कि वो मैं डाल सकूँ. एनी हाउ, सो it's such a nice day. It's too hot obviously to go out, but it's a nice day and I'm not going anywhere today. So that makes me so happy. At times it's just my favorite thing to do ever. Sorry for the camera strap, sorry. So my best way to spend my Sunday is lay in bed, and I don't really get to do this. Generally I go out every single day doing stuff, but yeah, so I'm so happy. I'm gonna just wind up everything and then relax. Okay, so I gotta go. I will catch up with you guys in a little bit again, and yeah, mission accomplished. So I have taken pictures. Let me show you. This is my setup. So this is my setup. These are the products that I'm giving away, and this is the light that I use. I'm sorry if I'm blinding you, but this is the light that I use. That's my DSLR. I'm so happy that I have this done. It's gonna go live right now, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow. The giveaway is gonna go on for a few weeks. Hello, so it's my Sunday evening. Masking. Mom is also masking while she's on the phone. So this is almost dry. I'm gonna follow up with this gold facial mask. Looks really cool. With all the liquid. So looking through fridge at night because I love to snack at night. So tempted to eat that pastry, but I am gonna go for these big old mangoes instead. I think I'm gonna sniff it. There's something about eating at night that is just, I love to eat after 12, which is not healthy. One second, let me just pull up my phone from here, sorry. So which is not healthy, but I like to do that. So yeah, I would like to give up the habit, but it's fine. Let's just admit that it's fun. And now I am going to eat my mangoes, which I have here, and watch some YouTube. Today I'm watching It's Judy Time. As I told you, she's one of my favorites. And yeah, it's time for some YouTube and mangoes. So you can totally judge me for this, but I finished my mango and I got myself another plate of mangoes. And I was just about to like sleep. I changed and I was like, okay, I'm going to sleep. But then I thought, you know what, Pooja, maybe you can have another plate of mangoes. So I chopped myself another mango, and yeah, this is the current situation. I'm having some mango. So checking out you guys' comments and stuff. So I just posted a giveaway today, and response is fabulous. Thank you guys. So yeah, so here is my speaker. I have my speaker with me. I'm watching April Athena 7. A little fun fact. So when I was thinking of doing something, not exactly thinking of doing something, I used to work full-time. So I used to work full-time before I started doing Instagram and social media and stuff like that. So while I was free, I was just, you know, searching for something, and I found April's video and I loved it. I saw all her videos in one night and I was like, wow. And she's so motivating. I thought, you know what, Pooja, she's so motivated, she should write an email. So I wrote an email to her saying that, hi, you're amazing, this and that, and she replied back, and I was like, wow. So one time she was saying that any girl who wants to start something and, you know, do something in social media, don't think about it, just post a picture, post a blog or something. And I got inspired. I wrote a blog and I posted it, and because I was so young, you know, I was so inspired by her, I made my blog and I sent her a link in a different email saying that you really inspired me and I would love if you could check out my blog and stuff. And to my surprise, she replied again. She said, I just checked your blog, it's amazing. And I got so motivated. I think it was what, 4 or 5 years back, and that made me so happy. I started working very hard and here I am today. I totally owe it to her. I still watch her. Now she has 2 boys and I love her videos. Anyhow, that was a long story. I think we can do a Q&A or something sometime, and then maybe we can take up all these interesting topics. But anyhow, so I'm going to wrap up this weekend's vlog here. I'm not sure how interesting or boring this was, but this is what I did this weekend. I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will reply back as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm going to see you in a new video very soon. Bye guys.